hey, 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 oh. Hey. Oh, damn, Liz.
No, all of us dispersed.
Right.
Everybody's like gone.
We're like butterflies.
I get nervous when people start talking. I'm like,
Hey.
I want one of these.
Are these twisty? I can't twist them. They're just not strong enough.
Bless your heart.
We're gonna shotgun a beer. Wait, we're gonna shotgun a beer. Wait, we're gonna shotgun a beer. We're gonna shotgun a beer. Get a beer. Everybody get a beer.
I like this one.
I mean, I have done it, but I've never accomplished doing the whole thing.
I never accomplished it.
How do you accomplish it?
I don't know. I will end up messing it up.
Yeah, I'm just like, it doesn't even hit.
Yeah.
You'd be like, stab it. Okay. What are we doing? Shut the fuck up talking shit about my game.
What? Like it's gonna have to
Shotgun. First game, shotgun. Whoever finish it, I'll send you $50 on your motherfucking Cash App.
Look, it first has to be these.
Okay.
For the pure gold, baby.
We're gonna shotgun these.
Erica, you down to do
I
it?
don't like beer, but
You down to do it with us?
do it with us.
Beer? Like a shot. Okay.
No.
It's the water.
Peer pressure. We'll do it right now.
Dude, I don't know how to do that.
I don't know. We're gonna find out. We're all new to this. We're like, I don't know.
I don't know what we're doing.
Beer pong at home?
Beer bomb.
At home or here?
The bongs? Yeah.
What?
Then you think Michelle's gonna bring one?
Not me. I'm gonna go back to Kentucky. I'll be right back.
Wait, just give me 2
You just don't want to do it. You just don't want to do it.
No, I love beer bongs.
Okay.
You're good at it. Because there's this one next to me. That's that one.
No, straight nose.
You're lying. I need to go. Oh, okay. Ya llegó. Véngase de la fiesta.
The cake!
Oh, the cake right? Yeah. And I'm like, pásale. Wait, how do you do this? We'll do it right now. Can you teach me? You need a key.
A key?
Yeah. I have one.
Okay. Let's set up right here.
We gonna put beer all in the pool?
Not like in the pool, but all right. Hey.
I'm like,
Look at the cake. Look at the cake, you guys. Oh my goodness. It's so cute. Did you see it? No, I didn't see it. The live thing here. I'm like, oh sorry, good morning. All right, we're gonna do a, what is it called? I was gonna say a cake stand. What? Beachwear. I honestly know cake stand. What do you call it? Shotgun. We're gonna do a shotgun. I personally never have I ever accomplished it really good because I rarely do it. So what I'm guessing you do is you stab it, I guess, with the key apparently. And I'll make a hole, and I'm guessing we have to open it. I'm gonna try to open mine a little bit right now because I know with my big ass nails, my luck. Yeah, my luck is gonna be I'm not gonna be able to open it for sure. It's already hard. Bitch, this fucking Texas humid ass shit is not for me. What the fuck? Oh, mine's open. Oops, I opened it too much. I'm just ready. Okay, stab it, open it all the way, and then drink from this hole, right? Or this hole. I don't understand that part. You obviously are not gonna drink from the little hole, are you? Bitch, that's just gonna cut my lip. Okay, hold on, let me get them. Ow. Hello, good morning. Oh wait, I'll have you guys come with me while we're waiting for them. Ow, my patas hurt from last night. Yeah, I was going too hard. I was going way too hard.
Yeah, we can't find it in Kentucky. We can't find it anywhere.
Sorry. Oh, sorry again. This thing is giant. These legs are like unbeatable. They're like her legs. That's these legs. I know. Her son has the same legs. When I woke up, and her son was right there walking around with a diaper, and he has long legs like her. I was like, where'd you get your long legs? And then she comes out of the room and she's wearing shorts. I was like, and then the long legs with her. I'm like, good ass.
Oh, look how freaking cute. I love it.
It's so cute. Oh my god, I'm gonna fuck this up.
Yeah.
Okay. I got you. I got you. Not me being the personal videographer.
Hey,
oh, it's the look. It's a clip for me. Look at her. There's Yesy.
I know, that's me.
Look how. Oh my goodness, this is stunning. Wow. Oh my goodness, sorry. Your phone's gonna die, babe. I know, I have to charge it. I was just gonna do the shotgun, but I don't think we're gonna be able to have time. Because my phone's gonna die. Oh, I'm all sweaty already. Okay. What do you think it's at? 5? I'm not sure. Probably 10. Maybe 5. Not sure.
Oh, it's a cute thumbnail though.
I know.
That's such a cute thumbnail.
The thumbnail is cute. Alright, we'll just do it. Hopefully we have enough time. Alright, shots.
Shots?
We did the thumb board and I'm like, let's do the shotgun.
Okay, let's do it.
Everyone's ready?
Yeah.
I don't know how to do it. I don't know how to do it. You have to show,
Okay,
show
so
us.
we need a key first.
I think Kim said she had a key.
Okay. You have a key?
Oh, my head is like hot. I can't explain how hot it is out here. It's like musty hot. Hold on. Okay, there.
Okay, you ready?
Hey! Hey! Back to
Okay, so you're gonna open it just very little.
open mine very little.
Oh, you're really low.
That's the. Can it go higher? Can it go all the way up here? Or what? El pinche palo. El pinche palo.
Oh, there you go.
Like that.
Hey.
Oh, that's a good view.
That's a
This
good
looks
one.
cute.
And
Okay.
then let me see. Okay.
Screenshot this, please and thank you.
Tag us on Instagram. Let me see.
Okay. That's a lot of keys you got there.
Damn, bitch, that's Kim's keys.
Look, she has my valid.
There's a little circle like that. Here, drop mine. You can use mine.
Okay, okay. I'm scared, friends. Help! Tengo miedo. I'm gonna do it with my broken nail, y'all. Sanitize that shit. Wow, that's so easy.
I'm like-
drop the keys. Ready? And then you open it in the back. Ready?
Yeah, you open it when you're ready. 1, 2, 3.
Ugh. I can't. I spilled half of it because I went this way.
That's why I was like, let's do it over here.
I am. My stomach's about to burst.
Can I take a picture of you?
That was delicious. No, it's fine. No, it wasn't bad. It wasn't gross. Oh, Ola has to burp.
can't hold it.
I'm gonna burp for one. Look at how pretty the sky looks. How do you burp? How do you make yourself burp? I never. You go. I'm gonna look back and it's literally gonna look like I burped. I'm sorry, that shit was not cute. Dude, that's why I don't like beer because I'm like, next thing you know, this is like my beer belly, and I'm like, yeah, this is my gender reveal. I feel like that. That's why I'm like, I cannot drink beer, but I wanted to experience the, what is it called? Shotgun. Not you. I'm scared. I'm gonna get kicked out of this party because my burps are too wild. They're too wild. All right, friends. I just wanted to do that with you guys. I have to go now. Yesy, say bye. We're gonna go live on Yesy's page.
I think it was 100. Huh? Say bye.
Oh, bye, guys. mañana. Ahorita she'll go live again and I'm gonna be pedas.
No, at your page we're gonna go live.
Oh yeah, we're gonna go live on my page. She said, all right. All right, see you guys later. Bye.